Tired of paying monthly subscription fees just to edit and organize your photos? What if you could get the power of Lightroom and Photoshop combined, pay for it once, and own it forever? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into ON1 Photo RAW 2026, an all-in-one photo editing and organizing software built specifically for photographers. If you want to speed up your workflow, enhance your shots with smart AI, and take back control of your software library, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's look at how it works and how you can use it to elevate your photography. ON1 has been building tools for photographers for over 21 years. Their latest release, ON1 Photo RAW 2026.4, is designed to be a complete workflow solution. Instead of bouncing between different apps, ON1 lets you import, organize, edit, and export your photos all in one place. You can use it as a standalone program on Mac or Windows, or as a plugin for Lightroom and Photoshop if you aren't ready to fully switch over yet. The real magic lies in how it simplifies complex edits. ON1 Photo RAW uses smart AI tools to handle the heavy lifting. You get precise AI masking that lets you target specific areas of your photo, like the sky, background, or subject, with just a click. If you opt for the Photo RAW Max version, you also get access to Restore AI, which is incredible for retouching and bringing old or damaged photos back to life. Plus, you have full access to professional RAW processing, layers, brushes, and customizable effects to give your images a signature look. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the obvious winner is the pricing model. There is no subscription. You buy it once, you own it, and you can install it on up to 2 computers, or 3 if you get the Max version. As for the downsides, while we don't have a massive list of third-party user reviews to pull from today, we do know that all-in-one editors can sometimes feel overwhelming for beginners because of how many tools are packed into one interface. However, with over 250,000 photographers using it and 21 years of development behind them, the software is highly stable and continuously updated based on direct community feedback. If you are ready to escape the subscription loop and want a powerful AI-assisted photo editor that respects your ownership, ON1 Photo RAW 2026 is absolutely worth a look. Head over to on1.com to grab their free trial and test it out on your own photos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more photography tips, and let me know in the comments, are you ready to ditch your photo editing subscriptions? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.